Good morning, Internet. Welcome to another adventure. Today, we're with Pickle Rick. We're with the Kleb. Good to see you, buddy. And Tiny Terror.
Cut her into little pickle chips and then we'll eat them. That's what we're eating today.
Nah, you guys don't want to do it.
Can we eat you today?
What are we eating?
You. Kleb, what are you doing? Hanging around?
Pickle, I get to be a sloth.
Your eyes changed color?
Yeah.
They were green or something last time I seen you.
But now they're gray.
Brown.
We're going to two separate places today. We're going to go around the area and we're going to sample some appetizers. Some of my favorite appetizers.
Fat Kid Sunday.
I'm not going to yes, Fat Kid Sunday. First, we're going to go get meatballs and cheese bread from Heroes and Legends. After that, we're going to go get cheesesteak egg rolls from Del Frisco's in Irvine. Can't wait. Let's go.
I knew that.
My gauges and lights aren't working. Wait, maybe my light is working. Nope, I think everything electrical is no longer working on my bike. Well, at least it's daytime. The places that we're going to, it's not all that far, so I don't want to have a real short video, so I kind of want to ride around a little bit. But then again, I don't know. You know, I'm having electrical problems on this bike. I don't even know if it's going to stay running. I don't have headlights or anything. So if it gets dark, we're screwed. I hate to say, guys, but it might be time for a new bike. If anyone over at Suzuki's watching this, hook a brother up, man. Hook a brother up. Maybe if I hit some bumps, the lights will come back on. It's not helping. Maybe we turn it on and off. Nope. Tuesday, I'll just have to take it into metric method. They'll figure it out. They'll figure it out. However, guys, these are all Band-Aids, man. This bike is on its way out. Look, even the RPMs aren't working. Tachometer. Nothing. Pulled over for two reasons. One, I want to see if my headlight's working, which it's not. Now let's see if my brake lights are working. Nope.
This whole dash isn't working at all?
Nothing.
Oh yeah, that's a sketch. Let's go bring it to metric method.
They're closed on Sunday. Here.
Oh, look, there's a beach.
Go ahead, free shot. What a nice place for a picnic. As usual, I'm going to tell you a little bit about the places that we're going to today. First place being Heroes and Legends. Now, Heroes and Legends opened up in Lake Forest about a year ago. I think early 2016 anyway. Heroes and Legends is known for their beer selection. They've got a wide variety of beer to choose from, for sure. But that's not why we're headed there today. We're going to Legends because of one of their appetizers that's found a place in my heart. See, they've got a meatball cheese bread appetizer that's to die for. It's amazing. And I want to share that enjoyment with you guys and show you what it's all about. So yeah, this video is going to be a little different than the rest of them. Instead of us going to one place, eating one big meal, we're going to stop at a couple places and eat a couple small meals. So essentially, this video is a better value. It's like two videos in one. Get off the phone! Have you guys noticed I haven't been playing an intro song in my videos lately? Yeah, I'm kind of tired of it. Not going to bullshit you. It's starting to make me cringe. Bounced off her helmet. What do you put in your basket? Drinks? There's a rubber band in there.
Oh, yeah, there is.
What's the rubber band for?
For emergency. Never know. It'll come in handy. Watch.
Drip that shit. Come on, light turn green. 3, 2, 1, green. Boom. I'm a ninja. Oh! Look, my gauges popped back on. Now my check engine light's on. That's not good. So it's flashing a 5D code. I don't know what a 5D code is. Isn't that a camera? Yeah, it's still on. Something's happening. Made it. Heroes and Legends. Heroes and Legends. Meatball and cheese bread. What'd you think?
Thought it was Walterific.
What about you?
It was great.
Like Walterific great, or like Do It With Dan great? Or like
Do it with Dan, great.
What do you think? Would you come back?
Oh, yeah.
I'm glad you guys enjoyed it. This is one of my favorite dishes at one of my favorite places. Now I'm going to take you to the next spot. It's just down the street at Irvine Spectrum. What are you doing?
What?
It's called DeFrisco's Grill. This place has a cheesesteak egg roll that you're going to love. Let's see if my lights come on this time. Yep. It's a cool sports bar, man. They give you all the peanuts. Throw all the shells on the ground, too. That's always fun. Alright, so the place that we're going to now, it's called Del Frisco's Grill. This is kind of a corporate establishment. There's like 24 of them in just various cities around the country. Corporate or not, they got a home run on the menu, and that's the cheesesteak egg roll. It's one of my favorite things. This is going to be a short video. I'm sorry, guys. I'm sorry it's going to be so short. I'll tell you what, this cheesesteak egg roll, it's one of the best things I've ever eaten in my life. I actually discovered this place a couple of weeks ago with Captain Man. We met a dude that worked there, Graham, and he brought us out one of these things, and holy shit, mind blown. Mind blown. Look at this. Front row parking. Alright guys, Del Frisco's Grill, the egg roll cheesesteak. What did you think?
I give it an 8.
An 8. What about you, Cleb? What did you think?
It was pretty awesome that she choo-choo trained it into my mouth.
You did.
Very memorable experience. I give it an 8 out of 10.
Anyway, out of the two, which would you prefer? The first one. You like the meatball and the bread.
The meatball.
Out of the two, what did you like?
First one.
First one, really? Heroes and Legends. Well, there it is. I'll tell you what, both those places I love to death. I give them both 10s, and I'll be back to both of them. I guarantee that. I'm going to go ahead and end this one. If you like this video, hit that like button. If you haven't yet, subscribe. Make sure you hit the little bell notification so you're aware when I do upload a video, be one of the first to see it. Make sure you go over to Cleb's channel, check him out. He's got some cool stuff over there, as well as Tiny Terra's Instagram. Make sure you check out SuburbanDelinquent.com, get all the latest, greatest. Always adding new stuff there, as well as how to get one of them Suburban Delinquent exhausts. And I'll catch you guys later.